What if your Azure environment could do more than just tell you that something is wrong? And what if it could actually understand what is happening, investigate why it is happening, and recommend you what should be done? And finally, will help you by taking the access. This is the actual idea behind what Microsoft is calling Agentic Cloud Operations. And this is much bigger than simply adding Copilot in the Azure portal. Microsoft is moving towards a model where observability, AI agents, governance, optimization, and remediation work actually works together in a continuous loop. My name is Vimal Singh, and in this particular video, we are going to understand what agentic cloud operation actually means, how it changes the traditional cloud operations, and what Microsoft is building in Azure to make this possible. So let's just start with the basic question. What exactly is agentic cloud operations? Traditionally, the cloud operation worked something like a monitoring system, which was responsible to generate an alert. Then the engineer was supposed to receive that alert. Then the engineer was supposed to open that multiple dashboard and multiple portals and check for those logs, then the metrics, and after that, investigation. And this much a process to identify the root cause. And after finding that root cause, they were deciding what action should be taken. And finally, whatever the result or the action plan came after the discussion was going to be implemented. So the problem in that modern cloud environment is these cloud environments are becoming too complex for this workflow. Because if you think about the typical enterprise environment and modern infrastructure, you might have virtual machines, containers, databases, microservices, API, networking components, identity services, security controls, AI workloads, and all interacting with each other. And top of it, you have hybrid infrastructure and multiple environments, multiple clouds. The number of signals can be used. And this is where the agentic approach comes in. So Microsoft described this agentic cloud operation as an approach where AI powered agents continuously observe, gives you the reason, and assist with the action across the cloud lifecycle. And that is guided by the human intent. So instead of going with the signal, then human investigation, human decision, and then human action, the model becomes signal, then AI reasoning, recommendation or action, governance, their outcome, and again new signals. And that create continuous operational loop. The first major component towards this process is observability. And the most organization already collect huge amount of telemetry, metrics, logs, traces, alerts, application dependencies, resources, performance information. But collecting telemetry is not the same thing as understanding it. An engineer might receive hundreds of alerts. So the real question is not how many alerts do I have? The real question is which signals actually matter and why are they happening? And this is where AI agent can add the value. So instead of treating every alert as an isolated event, an agent can analyze the broader context of it. For example, suppose an application suddenly becomes slow. So the traditional monitoring might tell you CPU utilization is high, but that's only a symptom. And the agentic system can potentially look at the application topology, dependencies, telemetry, recent changes, and the baseline behavior to understand the larger picture. Maybe the application is calling a database and the database experiencing is increased latency. The latency is causing API requests to slow down. And the API slowdown is causing the application to generate errors. Now we have a chain of events rather than hundreds of unrelated alerts. And that's the fundamental shift from monitoring individual signals to understanding relationship between signals. So Microsoft describes observability as the intelligence layer that gives agent the context required to identify meaningful signals and understand dependencies across the environment. And this is where one of Microsoft important developments comes in that Microsoft says Azure Copilot Observability Agent, and that is generally available now. And it is designed to continuously analyze telemetry across the environment, including applications topology, dependencies, and baseline behavior. Let's imagine an incident start developing. So instead of waiting for an engineer to manually connect the dots, the observability agent can start analyzing the situation and it can identify the patterns, correlate related signals, start investigating the dependencies, and provide contextual recommendations. So the workflow start moving from detect and investigate manually to detect, investigate with AI assistance. And this doesn't mean engineer will disappear. Quite the opposite. Means the engineer become more focused on decision making and control rather than spending most of the time gathering the information. Now let's take one step further and think your production application suddenly starts returning errors. So the monitoring platform detects the problem. The AI agent start investigating. It discovers that application depends on a backend service and the service has recently experienced increased latency. So the agent correlates this telemetry. It identifies the likely dependency causing the problem. And instead of simply saying there is an error, it can provide something much more useful, like the application error rate increased after the backend service latency exceeded the baseline. And this service are affected, and this is the most likely dependency involved. Now the engineer has the context, and context is extremely important in cloud operation because of the biggest operational changes is not necessarily finding data, it is understanding which data matters. But there is one important question: if AI agent can investigate problem and eventually take actions, so who control those actions? And this is where governance becomes extremely important. You don't want an AI agent making arbitrary changes to your production environment. Imagine an agent decision: CPU is high, so I will deploy 5 additional virtual machines. And that might solve one problem, but it could create another. Problem is going to be involving cost, security, compliance, or maybe architecture. And that's the reason Microsoft emphasizes that governance needs to be built directly into the agentic operation. So action should be, and it should follow the organizational policies, access controls, human defined rules, approval requirements, auditability, repeatable process. And if I have to say it in other words, I will say AI should have the ability to act, but within boundaries. So Microsoft Vision includes a human in the loop governance model, where observability, governance, and optimization work together. And this is particularly important for enterprise environments because automation without governance can become a security and operational risk. Now let's talk about another major part of this complete process, that is optimization. Traditionally, organizations were performing optimization periodically. Maybe some reviews for Azure cost at the end of the month, or maybe an architect reviews the performance once in a quarter, or maybe FinOps team identifies underutilized resources once in a month, or maybe once in a quarter. But cloud environment doesn't wait for monthly meetings. Resources changes continuously. Workload changes. User traffic changes. AI workloads can change extremely quickly. And that's the reason optimization also needs to be continuous. And Microsoft describes optimization across areas like cost, performance, resiliency, sustainability. So the agentic model brings optimization closer to the point where decisions are being made. For example, you're about to deploy a workload. So instead of discovering the cost implications after deployment, an agent could potentially help estimate the impact beforehand. Or think that a resource becomes constantly underutilized. So instead of waiting for the next cost review, an agent can surface the opportunity earlier. So the idea is very simple. Don't optimize after the problem becomes expensive. Optimize continuously. Now let's talk about from dashboards to connected workflow. And this is another important shift happening here. For years, cloud administrators have worked with the dashboards like Azure Monitor, Log Analytics, Defender, Cost Management, Advisor, Resource Graph, Application Monitoring, and many other tools. But the problem is what? The engineer becomes the integration layer. Means you open a portal, then another, then another. You copy the information from one system to another. You correlate the information manually. Agentic operation are trying to change this model. So instead of humans moving between disconnected tools, agent can help connect the workflow. For example, observing, then understanding, then recommendation, governing, acting, and measuring. And this becomes connected operational process. And that is much more powerful model than simply adding an AI chatbot to an existing dashboard. And this brings us to what I believe is that the most important concept in Microsoft Vision, the closed loop system. Think about a traditional cloud operation. You have monitoring, alert, engineer, access. But once the engineer fixes the issue, the process is essentially finished. But in a closed loop agentic model, first observation, then understanding, then decision, then action, and then measured outcome. So this outcome becomes a new information for the next decision. And so the system continuously learns from what is happening in the environment. This is why the term agentic is important. We are not talking simply about generating an answer. We are talking about a system that can participate in a operational work. So if you are an Azure administrator or cloud engineer or infrastructure professional, or might be wondering, what does all of this mean for my job? It doesn't mean that traditional cloud administration suddenly disappears. Instead, the skill set starts changing. Today, you may spend significant time doing alert investigation, log analysis, resource troubleshooting, capacity analysis, cost analysis, manual remediation, repetitive operational tasks. But in an agentic environment, you will increasingly need to understand that how do I define the desired outcome? What permission should an agent have? What policy should constrain it? Which action require approval? How do I validate the agent's recommendation? How do I audit what the agent did? This means cloud engineers will need to understand both cloud infrastructure and AI driven operations. And security becomes even more important at this place because once AI agent can interact with the infrastructure, identity and access control becomes critical. You need to think about who is the agent, what identity does it use, what resource can it access, what permission does it have, and can it modify the production? Can it delete the resource? Can it change the security policies? Can it access my sensitive telemetry? And these are not just AI questions. They're classic cloud security questions applied to a new type of actor, the AI agent. And this is why governance, identity, permissions, policy, auditing, and human approval are fundamental to agentic cloud operations. So, where is Microsoft heading with this? The bigger vision is not let's put Copilot inside Azure. It's much broader. And the vision is to create a cloud operating model where observability that provides the signals, AI agent that provides the reasoning, governance that defines the boundaries, optimization that improves the environment, automation that helps to execute the actions, and human remain responsible for intent, oversights, and critical decisions. And that creates a continuous operational. So, if I had to summarize this Microsoft Agentic Cloud Operation vision in one sentence, I will say the future of cloud operation is moving from humans manually interpreting signals to AI agents continuously turning signals into governed actions. And that's a significant change because today's cloud operations are largely detect, investigate, decide, and act. And tomorrow, the model is moving towards observe, reason, govern, act, learn, and repeat. And if you are an Azure administrator, architect, security professional, or cloud engineer, this is something you should start paying attention to now because the next generation of cloud skill won't just be about knowing how to configure Azure resources. It will also be about knowing how to operate an AI assist cloud safely, efficiently, and at a scale. If you find this explanation useful, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment why you should trust an AI agent to automatically remediate an Azure production issues. Or would you always require human approval? I'll see you in next week. Thank you so much for watching.